Good morning, students. Students, as you have read the previous 2 pages in the Zoom class, today I am going to send you a video for further reading so that you can complete your chapter and you will do the back exercise which I will send you. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. So he went out of the house, slipped out of the house quietly. When you are using this word quietly slipped out, it means that you don't want anyone to notice that you are going outside. He stood before a shop in front of which hung the board Dr. T. Kesavan. So this is the name of the doctor, LM&S Sri Krishna Dispensary. So the name of the doctor is Dr. T. Kesavan and the place, its doctor's office, the dispensary's name is LM&S Sri Krishna Dispensary. So Swaminathan went out of the house and he stood in front of a shop that is called a dispensary, a doctor's place, clinic. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free. So he saw that doctor was sitting alone. There is no patient over there and entered the shop. So he entered the clinic of the doctor. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? So Swaminathan, what is the matter? This dialogue is told by a doctor. Doctor, I have got to have a doctor's certificate immediately. So immediately when Swaminathan get inside the doctor's cabin, he demanded for the doctor's certificate. He wanted to have a doctor's certificate from Dr. T. Kesavan. So next, what is the matter with you? Then doctor asked that why do you want the doctor's certificate? I will tell you the truth. So, doctor said, why you need the certificate? Okay, then what is the matter with you? I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match. So, Swaminathan was not a liar. He told the truth to doctor that I want to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union, YMU. YMU is the word used when we started reading the chapter. There was a term used, YMU. So there was a match in between MCC and YMU. Swaminathan said that I want to practice for the match and I must have some practice, and yet every evening there is a drill class. So every evening, daily scouting drill class is there. Some dirty period or other. So one day if there is a scouting class, the other day there will be some other drill class. So I have to have those drill classes daily. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. So Swaminathan was asking the doctor that please give me a certificate, the doctor's certificate that I am not well. If you will give me the certificate, I will show that certificate to my drill master and my drill master gave me a relief at 4:30 daily. So when I get free, I would go to the MCC ground and I will go to my friends for practice of the match, and it will be a great help to win the MCC for the match. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? So the doctor is straightforward, very, very much straightforward. He asked immediately, what is wrong with you? Are you ill? I could do it. I could give you the medical certificate. But please tell me what is wrong with you. Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. So Swaminathan took a minute, took a half of a second. So he was, I think, Swaminathan prepared himself to give the answer to doctor that he was having delirium at that time. So Swaminathan said, I am not well. Okay, so boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? So you can see that doctor was laughing. Why the doctor was laughing? Because doctor knows the meaning of delirium. But what does a boy say at that time? So doctor was asking, what exactly do you mean by delirium, boy? And you know what Swami was asking, giving the reply at that time? Students, Swami told the doctor at that time, I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomach ache? So Swami was actually not knowing that what is the meaning of delirium. So he was just, now the doctor is very much intelligent. Doctor knows that Swami is just giving an excuse. Swami replied that he is having stomach ache. But student, do you know what is the meaning of delirium? Read here. It is given over here in your book. I think it's given in the back page. We have read here. A state of excitement when you cannot think or speak clearly, usually caused by a fever. So that delirium is the state of fever. But Swami is saying stomach ache. So doctor easily mind that the child is giving an excuse only to get a medical certificate to show to the drill master to have a relief at 4:30. So doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. With the answer, doctor started laughing and he laughed too much and he got a choke. When we laughed loudly without even stopping, we got a choke in our throat. So after that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest and declared him to be in the pink of health. So what did doctor do after that time? Doctor started checking Swami. He saw under the eye, he checked his eye color, tongue, then he tapped his chest and noticed his breath and he said, you are in the pink of health. You are absolutely all right. Very good health you are having. No need to have a doctor's certificate for that. And told him he would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. So the doctor is saying again with you can say a strict suggestion to him that if you want to be in a good health, you have to have the drill. Okay, so Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to leave his evenings free. So then Swaminathan again explained that, sir, I wanted to have my evenings free to have a lot of practice for the match. But the doctor said, it is all very well, but I should be prosecuted if I gave you any such certificate. Students, you know, prosecution. Prosecuted means charging with a crime in a court of law. If you do something wrong against the law, you will get the punishment by the court. Means if a doctor gave a false certificate to a patient that he is not well, instead it's a fake certificate, the doctor can be prosecuted. So Dr. Kesavan, T. Kesavan, he said that I could not give you a doctor certificate for this false condition. Who is going to find out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? Then Swami is saying nobody is going to find that doctor, the certificate is fake or real. So do you think our MCC to lose the match? I wish you all success. Don't worry. I can't give you a certificate. But then I wish you all success. Doctor is saying to Swaminathan that you will get success, don't worry. I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. So doctor promised Swaminathan that he will talk to headmaster and he will make him convinced that the headmaster will allow Swaminathan to get off at 4:30 and will go for the match practice. That'll do. You are very kind to me, doctor. So Swaminathan was very happy at that time when he got the answer from the doctor that doctor will help you. So here the doctor behaves like a kind gentleman and he realized that the Swaminathan was having a problem. Swaminathan was facing a problem to go for a practice at right time. So that is why he was ready to help the Swaminathan. So that's all for the chapter. I hope you all have enjoyed the chapter.